husband. No, nothing will happen. Mama, please, something has to be done. No. Please, come. I think. No, honey, sit down here. Ebe, no, Kitty. No, Mama, no. Mama, also go say no. Mama, need enough, Mama. Mama, I hope this works. Mama, open your mouth. You talk too much. Open your mouth. Close your mouth. Close it. Don't say anything. The next couple of hours. Mama, I got an information that my husband wants to divorce me. So I quickly went to our joint account and withdrew money.
How possible is it that a man that wants to divorce you will grant you access to his debits?
Mama, you don't know Chime. He is unpredictable. And with the way he talks to me these days, with so much guts, he tells me that he's up to something. But don't worry. Shall see.
So, what would you like to do about it?
Mama, I told you already. I told you that I need a child. But right now, I want that one that will kill him slowly. So even if he divorces me, he will still have to die. I must have my revenge, Mama. I must.
Is that exactly what you want?
Yes, Mama. Exactly. I want my revenge.
Killing him slowly.
Yes, Mama. Please, just help me. I'll be most grateful.
Okay, when music will kill me slowly. But don't worry. Nollywood can surprise I am coming.
Thank you so much.
House on fire. Operation Show Pepe. Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish. War don't start. Aniafu. Onike Abu. Madam, they look for new strategy. Oga, they fighting for restructuring. Oga, head don't scatter. He they confused. Madam, Matuna ratatatata like a machine gun. House on fire. Operation Show Pepe. Operation Show Pepe.
Mama.
Anna.
Hi, I've been looking for you everywhere.
Okay.
Mama, it's getting late now. I have to go.
You can have it. Take it yourself.
So this is it?
This is it. Oh. You put it in what he has to eat.
Okay.
Morning and night. Every time he eats, morning and night, you add a little bit
morning
of
and
child.
night.
Yes. Make sure you add a pinch to anything he eats, morning and night. But ensure that the food is not oily.
Oily?
Yes. And also, do not eat with him.
Mama, why must I eat with him? Am I stupid?
So what did I say you should do?
I should add a pinch morning and night.
Good.
And I should ensure there is not much oil in the food.
Exactly. And make sure he eats by kneeling down and begging him to eat.
Why must I kneel to beg him to eat?
You don't know the trick. That way he will think that you have changed, but you and I know you have not. You know, it's like the lion. When the lion lies in ambush, waiting for his prey, he pretends to be gentle until he's cross. Get on the prey. Oh, go.
So right now, I am the lion. And I'm waiting to... I understand you. Thank you so much.
Oh, it's okay.
I have to be on my way.
Never. Morning and night, don't forget. Kneel down. Hey, killing him softly. Killing him softly with dog wood.
Where are you coming from?
I went to see my mother. She fell sick, so I went to check on her.
Sorry about that. So where's my money?
That's what I'm trying to explain to you. I went out to get the money. Then she called me and said that it's a matter of urgency. So I had to rush to the village to see her. But do not worry, tomorrow morning, first thing, I'll get your money.
Please, do.
I will. Let me quickly change and prepare your dinner.
What? Prepare what?
I said let me change and prepare your dinner.
Look at this one. Born again Christian. You want to prepare my dinner? Oh, you want to bribe me to forget about my money? Is that your plan?
No, it's not a bribe. I will certainly get your money even before you wake up. I will. Let me go prepare your food. Honey? 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 Your food is ready. Your breakfast is served.
I'm not hungry.
Honey, please, you have to eat. You're still angry with me. Baby. Baby.
Leave me alone now. I'm not hungry.
Baby, that means you're still very angry with me. I'm sorry, please. Can't you see I'm a changed person? Can't you see?
Huh?
Yes, so. I have changed though.
Who's talking?
No. I have really changed.
You? A changed person.
I'm telling you. Honey, my...
Have you apologized for trying to kill me? You left me to die. You're telling me you changed.
No, my love, you can never die. For what? Why will you die while I'm here? Honey, you know I'm not really a bad wife. It's just as I allowed myself to be used by the devil. But now I have freed myself from that devil. I can never hurt you again in this life. Please. Please. I'm begging you.
Is it that my eyes is deceiving me?
Don't.
Or my ear has cotton wool inside?
He doesn't have anything. This is your wife that you married. Pico, I am sorry.
Please, I don't believe what you're saying.
Honey, please, now better believe me.
I don't believe what you're saying. I just told you I'm not hungry.
If you don't forgive me, I will not leave you. I will not leave you. I'm begging you so much. I'm not happy that all these things are happening in my home. I'm not happy. I'm sorry. Anything you want me to do, I will do. Please.
If what you said really is from your mind,
I'm forgiving you.
Oh, thank you, my love. Thank you so much. It's from my mind. And for this, I will make sure that you eat on time, and even when you return in the evening, I will always serve your food on time.
This is unbelievable.
Better believe it, my love.
Well, if you can keep to your words, then be rest assured that we are going to have a happy home.
I have already kept to my words, so do not worry yourself. Oh, I've done that already.
No, I'm not hungry. I'm fine.
Honey, please now don't do this. Let's go. I prepared this food specially for you. Your favorite. After eating, I will. Home. Let's go. Oh?
Can deal.
My husband. I will be as sweet as when we met, though. Don't worry. I can buy you slippers again.
Don't worry.
Don't worry. I'm a changed wife now. Your wife has changed.
My wife, a changed person.
Yes, so.
Okay.
I remember the time when we did fight today and night be like say we did crazy. Be like say we did crazy. We don't work it out, we don't talk it over. Realize our mistakes, love don't begin sweet. Oh, we don't fall in love again. Oh, this our love and again. We still day again. It don't day again. Original love, oh, you know they shake and you know they break in again. Now follow come on again. It don't day again. Original love, oh, you know they shake and you know they break in again. Original love, oh. This our love and again. We still day again. It don't day again. Original love, oh, you know they shake and you know they break in.
The normal seasoning. Don't you like it?
Tastes great.
I'm glad you like it.
So, why did you bring one spoon? It's going to be the both of us.
Yes, my husband. I would have really loved to join you, my husband. But oh, I didn't tell you. I started 21 days fasting and prayer. Today is the 19th day, so if I eat this thing, I will spoil it.
Wow.
Yes, I'm fasting.
It's like the kind of fasting they do in the wilderness.
You want to go? You know I'm not a changed person, so I'm not going my husband, let me go get your money.
My love, you see, it's not really about the money. It's about your approach towards the money. Right now, it's obvious my wife is back, okay? So, forget about the money.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes.
Oh, thank you, my love. Okay, in that case, let me quickly go get your things prepared and also polish your shoe.
Your shoe?
Yeah, let me polish your shoe. I'm coming. So this is what I want you to wear today, and this is the shoe I want you to wear.
Nice combination.
I'm glad you like it.
I reserve my comments.
Oh my love, I told you I have changed. A lot of things have changed about me.
Okay.
Oh my word! You look absolutely gorgeous. Amazing. Wow. Look at my husband. Look at you, baby. You are looking dapper. Okay, it's time to wear this.
Let me wear my shoe first.
Dapper, baby.
Yeah,
You look
say
dapper.
that again. Thanks, my wifey.
So, what would you like to have for dinner?
My wife wants to know what I will have for dinner. Okay. I would like to have a goosey soup or vegetable. Any of that can do.
And that you shall get. I wish you the best today, honey.
Take care of you.
And you too. Love you.
Love you too.
This our love on a gang gang. We still day in a gang gang. He don't day in a gang gang. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they break in a gang gang. Our love on a bunge. Now follow come on a gang gang. He don't day in a gang gang. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they break in a gang gang. This our love on a gang gang. We still day in a gang gang. He don't day in a gang gang. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they break in a gang gang. Our love on a bunge.
You will eat up your soul gradually. Gradually. Welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You smell nice.
Oh, thank you, baby. How was your day?
Fine.
Okay. It's good you're here. I already served your food. So, have your bath, change, and come eat.
What did you prepare?
You said you wanted a goosey soup. I made it already.
Oh, that can come later. Let me quickly eat. My wife made my favorite.
Okay, honey. Alright.
I can't believe it. I don't know.
No, you like it. Enjoy your meal.
You're a great cook.
Thank you.
This is so nice.
Thank you. Enjoy it. It's all for you, my husband.
Divine.
I'm glad you like the food, honey.
Divine, baby.
It's okay. Alright. Enjoy your meal while I go check the clothes in the washing machine.
Okay, love.
Alright.
Hey, come in. Oh,
Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon. I almost forgot I asked you to come.
Yes, I wanted to make sure you like the colors, sir.
Oh, okay. Well, no biggie. Just I want necklace and wristwatch for my wife.
I have new arrivals. You like them, sir?
Okay. You have them.
Yes, sir.
Oh, very
Like
good.
them, yes,
Let me see. Have a seat.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, this is nice. So let me see your necklace. This is nice. This is nice. Okay, so get this one and the wristwatch, okay? Get it before I finish for the day. You know, pictures can be very deceptive, so I need to see before I pay. Because I missed my wife.
I miss you more. You're welcome, honey.
Yeah, there you go.
So how was your day?
Well, my day was splendid.
You got this for me?
For you, baby.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
Oh, you love it?
It's beautiful. Oh, thank you, baby. And guess what? I made your favorite. So come. Let's go.
You look good on this.
Hey, see, honey, it's not just about the clothes. It's also about the body wearing it.
Because my wife has the perfect body size for clothes.
Thank you so much, sweetheart. And you know the truth? I love everything you bought for me. You're my spec. Especially this one.
Oh yeah, that's my favorite.
I love it. Thank you, honey. So I'll just take them upstairs, okay?
And don't forget my lunch.
Of course, honey. I'm going to serve it now. I don't understand what you just said. That I'm out of track.
Ivy, are you really using the charm your mother gave to you?
What exactly do you mean by that?
Because I saw you and your husband in a very romantic manner. Like newly married couple.
Norma, do you think I'm stupid? I am not. I mean, I do not want the whole thing to look very suspicious. You should know the symbolism of a snake.
Are you sure you're using the charm very well?
Do not worry yourself. Just relax. Very soon, you will hear these calls. Alright? I hope you're satisfied now. Have a nice day. But come to think of it, I haven't started seeing any effect yet. I have to ask Mama if there's a little bit of love portion in it.
This our love on a gang. We still day na gang. He don't day na gang. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they break in a gang. Our love on our bunge. Now follow come.
Honey, why did you bring me here?
He don't day na gang. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they break in a gang.
It's ours.
What do you mean it's ours?
Our property. You see, actually, I'm thinking of doing a mall here, but then I changed my mind. I am doing like a beauty salon, a spa, and all of that, and it will be in your name.
Oh! Honey! Oh my goodness, honey, you are a sweetheart! Wait, for me?
Of course, for you.
I love you, baby. Thank
See,
you so
I'm almost done though, so we're just waiting for the importation of the goods and all of that.
What a surprise!
So hopefully, in a few months' time,
yes,
we will be done.
You know, I have the best husband in the whole world. You know what? I am going to take you out.
Really?
And the bills, it's going to be on me.
Oh, boss lady.
Let's go.
Hey, come, baby. Before we go there, I'd like us to go to the friend's bar, just a local bar around the corner. Then from there we could, head out to your place.
Right. No, I will pay for everything. I'm taking you to one of the best Chinese restaurants in town.
Okay.
Octopus to be precise.
Original love, you know they shake and you know they break in a gang. Our love on our bunge. Now follow come on a gang. He don't day na gang. Original love, you know they shake and you know they break in a gang. This our love on a gang. We still day na gang. He don't day na gang.
Honey, I am so excited. Thank you so much.
Come on, my love. It's all right. It's okay. Anything for you. Mel. My people. Mel. What's up?
Good afternoon.
Hey, Ivy, afternoon. I can see you guys are enjoying yourselves. My brother, how we go do now? Join us now. No, don't worry. I'm here for an appointment. I will just sit down and wait for the person. Or I will come home to join you guys to enjoy. Oh, man. The guy didn't even come. So, this guy needs to come. Set the roof.
Yes, and the decoration as well.
Exactly. I'm looking at this design. This one is good.
Very good. Very.
I like the colors.
What exactly are you doing here?
What's going on? Are you trying to reconcile with him?
You still haven't answered my question. What are you doing here?
Listen, you've been fooled, my dear lady. After all the display of this fake affection, he's still going to serve you the divorce paper.
Oh my God. Can you just allow me do my thing? What is wrong with you? I mean, if you do not trust that I can do this, that is your business. Do not carry this on your head. Allow me to fix it. Then when I'm done, you will conclude if I know exactly what I'm doing or not. Please. Don't come back here again.
I remember the time when we did fight today and night be like say we did We don't work it out, we don't talk it over. Realize our mistakes, love don't begin sweet, oh. We don't fall in love again, oh. This our love and again. We still day and again. He don't day and again. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they break in again. Now follow come on again. He don't day and again. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they break in again. Original love, oh. This our love and again. We still day and again. He don't day and again. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they break in again. Our love now bunge. Now follow come on again. He don't day and again.
You're welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine. You called me and I returned the call, but you didn't pick.
Oh yes, I was actually calling you to know if you want snail.
But of course you know snail is my best meat.
My baby, I'm sorry I made you cry. Anything you want tonight, my goodbye. Because I love you. Your love not on a borrow. Hey, no more misunderstanding. I'm understanding how to love you better. This our love and again. We still day and again. He don't day and again. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they break in again. Our love now bunge. Now follow come on again. He don't day and again. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they break in again. This our love and again. We still day and again. He don't day and again. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they break in again. Our love now bunge. Now follow come on again. He don't day and again. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they break in again.
Do you want anything?
I need water.
Okay, let me get it.
This our love and again. We still day and again. He don't day and again. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they break in again. Our love now bunge. Now follow come on again. He don't day and again. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they break in again. This our love and again. We still day and again. He don't day and again. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they break in again. Our love now bunge. Now follow come on again. He don't day and again. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they.
What is really going on? My husband is now so sweet. Nothing must happen to this man. Nothing.
This our love and again. We still day and again. He don't day and again. Original love, oh. You know they shake.
My brother, not be whining, no. The change is so baffling. My wife now wakes up very early in the morning, cleans the house, cooks for me, takes care of my clothes, and of course, takes care of me. It's unbelievable.
I'm happy for you.
Ha!
Seriously, I'm happy for you. At least now you have a happy home.
My brother, now I am beginning to feel that taste of happiness in my marriage, in my home.
I can feel your happiness, brother. I can feel your happiness. At least it's been long I saw you with this kind of joy.
I swear down.
And you know what? Let's celebrate to this. Let's Bama!
You know, Abi?
Yes, sir. Come here. This is good news.
I swear down, my brother.
This is good news.
Okay, sir.
Get me my usual.
Okay, sir.
And give me this drink.
Okay, sir.
All right. Make them double, okay? All right, hurry up. Man, this is beautiful. So just like that, just change.
Honey, ha. My brother, the last time my wife called me honey ho was when we started dating.
I like that. That's beautiful.
It's a good thing. Happiness is good.
Sure.
Hello, Mama. Yes, Mama. Mama, my husband has changed so much. He has changed, though. He has been so kind to me lately. I don't even understand. He now pampers me like a newborn baby. And I've been meaning to ask you this question, Mama. Does that charm have love potion in it?
Love potion? Who is talking about love potion? You asked me to give you slow poison, and that is what I gave you. You just add it a bit to his drink and his food, and he will die slowly. On our walk on cha.
Die what? Ha. Mama, my truth be told, I do not want anything to happen to my husband. I just told you that he has changed. I shouldn't have even used that charm in the first place. I've even stopped using it.
Eh? Stop, Ukwa. Banana, you can't stop now. You know how risky it is. I am sure this poison, this slow poison has started working from inside. Don't stop. Continue giving it to him. And remember, do not throw away the charm or they go against the rule. So in a couple of weeks, Walker will pass on. In one long way. After I have blue freedom. You got to go?
Hey! Chimu. What can you say with Jebikon? For the very first time after our wedding, I'm feeling so happy and relaxed with my husband. And now he's going to die after 3 weeks. Hey! Oh, come guess you. Hey! I shouldn't have used that charm. I just shouldn't have. Hey! Why I just went extra length and it's not. How do I remedy this?
I remember the time when we did fight day and night, be like say we did crazy. We don't work it out, we don't talk it over, realize our mistakes, love don't begin sweet, oh. We don't fall in love again, oh. This our love and again. We still day again. It don't day again. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they break in again. Now follow come on again. It don't day again. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they break in again. Original love, oh. This our love and again. We still day again. It don't day again. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they break.
I'm fine.
The pain, has it subsided?
It's subsiding.
Is it? You look sad.
I want to tell you something.
What is it?
I want to tell you that I love you.
Oh, baby. Of course.
Okay, it's okay.
Because I love you too. Okay?
I also want to tell you that I'm very
Baby,
sorry
it's
for
okay.
everything. Sorry.
You've told me already, okay? And I've forgiven you. It's okay, stop crying. Stop
Sorry.
crying.
I remember the time when we did fight day and night, be like say we did crazy. Be like say we did crazy. We don't work it out, we don't talk it over, realize our mistakes, love don't begin sweet, oh. We don't fall in love again, oh. This our love and again. We still day again. It don't day again.
Once I hear good news, I will double this money.
You can count on me.
Good. You can go now.
You can always count on me.
Honey, it's okay. You have to take some water, please.
I'll take it.
You need to take more. Sorry. Let me go get it for you. Oh?
No. Don't worry, let me go. Let me go.
Sorry. Honey, I think this is really getting serious. Yeah?
There's nothing serious. It's just cough.
Look at blood. Let me get you bento, okay? I'm coming. I'm coming. Hello, Mama. Mama, please, you have to help me. My husband is dying. He's been coughing since he got back. He's been coughing. Yes, consistently, Mama. Please, you have to help me.
There's nothing I can do about it. It's already too late. Yes.
Mama, please, something has to be done. Because something has to be done. I can't lose my husband, not now. Please.
Bye. Allow me to enjoy my rest.
Hi.
Mama, who was that?
Nobody.
But I heard you saying somebody would die.
I wasn't talking to you.
Honey, Jesus, this is getting serious. Honey, I need to take you to the hospital immediately. My God, I need to take you to the hospital. How can you be fine? How can you be like this and you're telling me you're fine? Please don't even say it again. Hello? No, no, please, you have to help me. My husband is dying. Please, please. Just start coming to my house right now. I need your help. Honey, I need to take you to the hospital. Please, come on. How is he doing you? How? No, ma, this started coming already. You know, Mama, get down also. Hurry, please. My husband is dying. Honey.
Nyama, baby, how are you doing? You're going to Ivy's house? Listen, Nyama, listen, baby, listen. Do not go there and start talking anyhow. Before you know, you start opening all our secrets. Okay? Yes. Whatever is killing that guy is slow poison. So don't go there and open up our secret. Ivy should know the antidote to the poison. Okay. Alright. Let me go back to sleep. Okay.
Things are getting worse. Since he came back, he hasn't breathed properly. I want to take him to the hospital, but my ankle is bad. I can't drive.
Don't tell me you don't know what is wrong with him.
No, listen, I don't want anything whatsoever to happen to my husband. I don't want him to die.
Wasn't that what you wanted, Ivy?
That was what I wanted because I was beclouded with so much anger and stupidity. But not anymore. My dear, I am better now and I don't want anything to happen to my husband. He's my pride.
And you think it is not too late?
Even if it's too late, something has to be done. Listen, I need an antidote. I don't want to lose my husband, not now.
Call your mother then.
My mother? That one is a no-no. I actually called my mother and she said that nothing can be done. Nothing can be done. What do? I don't want to lose my man. Please, you have to help me.
Okay. Let's take him to that prophetess.
I don't want him to die, please. Come on, help me now.
Yes.
Leave us.
Me?
Yes. Leave us.
Huh?
I'm the wife. She asked you to leave too? She asked me to leave my sister. And I'm so scared she might tell him the truth. Hey, God. Oh.
You are the one that demanded we bring him here. So get ready to face any implication.
Hey, who? I'm not comfortable with the whole thing. I was even trying to tell her I'm the wife. She said leave.
It wasn't all you. Was it?
There is problem, Mom. My husband hasn't said anything to me. He only locked the door, put the key in his pocket and went upstairs. I am scared she might have told him everything. I don't just know. What do I do now? Mom, I'm confused though. Please, I need your help. Please. Hi, God, oh, I can't sit there. I'll call you back later. Honey, are you there? Honey,
Oh, are you people back? What? The prophetess says people should leave? Hey. And up till now, Chime has not said anything. But you people should have stayed there now. You should have stayed there to know what's going on. Yes. Hello? Hello?
From the depth of my heart, I want to say I'm really sorry for everything. Please. Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me. Forgive me for everything.
It's okay. I want you to know that whatever happens, this marriage is for better, for worse.
Thank you, honey. Thank you.
It's okay.
This our love and again. We still dey again. He don't dey again. Original love, oh, you know they shake and you know they breaking again.
Hey, honey. Please wake up. Your food is here. I brought you breakfast. I brought you food. Sorry.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hope you slept well. I brought your food.
Oh, you brought me breakfast. Thank you.
Honey, I hope you're no longer angry with me.
Let's forget about everything that happened in the past.
Please.
Now it's a new beginning. Okay?
Yeah. From the depth of my heart, I'm really sorry.
This our love and again. We still dey again. He don't dey again. Original love, oh, you know they shake and you know they breaking again. Our love and our
So sorry, you'll be fine. Let me go get your pain relief.
Okay.
Alright.
This our love and again. We still dey again. He don't dey again. Original love, oh, you know they shake and you know they breaking again. Our love and our bunge. Now follow come on again. He don't dey again. Original love, oh, you know they shake and you know they breaking again. This our love and again. We still dey again. He don't dey again. Original love, oh, you know they shake and you know they breaking again.
You have to give yourself time. You need to rest. At least 2 days. You take care of your health, please.
I know, my love, but I have an important client coming from Kano. I'll be back before afternoon.
Alright, I'll help you. Honey, you're breathing.
Breathing.
Sit down.
It's just...
Honey, sit down. Please. You have to rest. Look at you. You're bleeding. Listen, you are not stepping out of this house. No.
My love, I'm fine.
You
I'll be
not...
back before midday.
Honey, I disagree with you. You can't go out. Look at you. You are bleeding. What?
But let me just rush and I'll be back.
Listen.
Before you know it.
No, honey. Tell your secretary to take care of the client. Or better still, the person can return to her hotel and then come back next week. You are not fine. You are not going anywhere, honey. Remember, health is wealth. You need to be fine. Oh my God. I'm coming.
Is it much?
It is. I'm coming. Mama. Chibo. Kate. You are here. Didn't you see me?
I saw you. Why are you going to chase me out of my father's house?
Yeah. Oh, please, where is Mama?
Are you alright?
Why?
Oh, cotton wool.
Oh yeah, I have flu, my brother. I inserted some herbs, you know.
It's working, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Sorry about that. Actually, in respect to that deal, I was expecting that you call. I don't know if you've forgotten.
No, I sent 2 million naira to you yesterday now. Once we are done with the signing, then I send you the remaining 8 million.
Alright, no qualms. No qualms. How is our wife?
She's fine. She went to church.
Okay, I hope her manners are stopped.
Everything is fine now.
I can see.
Thank you.
Seriously, she's lucky. For real. If I'm her husband, I would have said her packing for long. To her father's house.
Well, you see, my father once said that you don't shoot a bird that is perched on the keg of a palm wine on top of a palm tree. If you do that, it's either the palm wine tapper loses 2 things. Okay. One, the palm wine keg, or the palm wine itself.
Wow.
So...
I see. Lovely.
So, what do I offer you?
Oh, don't worry, I'm okay. I'm cool.
Cool.
I'm cool.
No, you can't come to my house without taking anything. I'm gonna get you a drink.
Alright, if you insist.
Do you think being rude on the phone will save from this? Huh?
Or room to go inside that house and tell your husband the meaning of slow poison?
Please, I beg of you, go in and tell him. And if you refuse not to, may thunder from third heaven descend and tear you into shreds. You are very, very stupid. You're a senseless man. And make sure you tell him, make sure you go in to tell my husband. Useless gold digger. Make sure you go inside to tell my husband. If not, the thunder that will